English is nothing, but English is everything. Now speak English with the help of You Can Speak It and software.
अभी इसे शॉर्ट ऐसे the essay is about our village fair, हमारे गांव की मेला. अभी this is the fair of God Khandoba. All of you know God Khandoba? Yes. Now I am reading in Indian intonation first of all, and then later British. This is the fair of God Khandoba. Every year we have this fair in our village. Men, women and children come to see the fair. Many people gather together. People from other villages also come and enjoy the fair. First paragraph. We meet many friends there. There are shops and stalls. There are sweets, fruits and toys too. We move here and there and eat a lot in the fair. This is very important, eating. The giant wheel and the merry-go-round are the main attractions. Some jugglers play their tricks. We buy toys in the fair. We like the fair very much. Second paragraph is over. And the essay is over. Very short essay. Now I have read it in Indian pronunciation or maybe in American pronunciation because my stress is on every word. This is the fair of God Khandoba, right? But this is not right English or right reading according to British English. Now listen to me carefully and how the words are pronounced, how I drop unimportant words and how I give stress on important words. There's a fair of Khandoba. Fair of Khandoba. We have the fair in our village. My women and children come to see fair. My people get together. People from other villages also come and each other fair. Do you feel the difference? Yes. I met my friends here. There are shops and stores, there are stress. More the fear and the undoubted of in the fear. The grand fans are very god on the main Texans. Some jugglers like the case and the hair or like their father bites. Okay. पहला रीडिंग क्या मैंने देर लगा अभी सेकंड रीडिंग में इमीडिएट होगा या विद इन 2 or 3 seconds फर्क है ना हाँ और सेकंड रीडिंग कैसा था अकॉर्डिंग टू इंग्लिश ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश एंड फर्स्ट हाँ ओके सेकंड इज शॉर्ट द मून इट्स इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट मून वी कैन सी द मून एट नाइट it is a satellite of the earth. It looks pretty. Its light is cool. Things look silvery in the moonlight. Indian reading. The moon shines very brightly on the full moon day. Then it changes its shape. It becomes smaller and smaller till the new moon day. These changing shapes are called its phases. Finished. Very short essay. Is Indian reading. While reading in Indian style, the speaker gives stress on every word. Every word. And he utters every word with force. He gives the stress on every word. But according to British or RP means received pronunciation, British English. The stress is given on only important words and unimportant words are dropped. And which are unimportant words? Yes, articles, unimportant, unstressed. Articles, then prepositions, then conjunctions, and articles. And important words, verb, noun, adjective, adverb. These sentences which I have taken from this essay. We can see the moon at night. It is a satellite of Earth. It's a satellite is a wrong word, but he has used. Satellite means upagraha. Upagraha, okay. It looks pretty. चांद कैसा दिखता है? कैसा दिखता है? Pretty. सुंदर दिखता है. और its light is cool. उसका प्रकाश कैसा है? शीतल है. Now, this is the sentence in usual English spelling and this is the transcription of the sentence. This is the transcription of this sentence. In British English, the pronunciation is done according to this. This sign shows stress, falling tone, and all these are unimportant, unstressed words. So while uttering this sentence, we can, here can, is unstressed can, we can't see, the stress is on C, again there is an unstressed moon at night. So at, the, can, these are the unstressed words, and sea, moon and night, these are the stressed words. Now say after me, everybody, हर एक को अभी कह मेरे पीछे बोलना है जोर से. पहले सीधा, बाद में ब्रिटिश, इंडियन ब्रिटिश. हाँ, we can see the moon at night. अभी एक ही दम में, we can see the moon at night. Again, we can see the moon at night. This is the Indian English or American English. ये pronunciation American English में है. Now next, British English. In British English, this is unstressed, this is unstressed, this is unstressed. You don't pronounce this, slightly only, don't pronounce. This one, and this one. This is a subject, this is a main verb, this is a noun, and this is also noun. So the stress is given. आगा देना है और उच्चार जोर से करना है. यहाँ पे उच्चार जोर से नहीं करना, उसको ड्रॉप करना है. हाँ, अभी मेरे पीछे आप बोलिए. We can see the moon at night. Where is the stress and where is not stress? We see moon. These are stressed and unstressed can the night. Now combine all together, we have to pronounce this sentence as say after me. Because say the moon at night. See, कहाँ पे stress है, कहाँ पे stress नहीं. We can say, we can. So here, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So this is up, this is down, this is up. So this up and down in sound is called intonation. It's called intonation. चढ़ उतार है आवाज में, ध्वनि में चढ़ उतार, इसको इंटोनेशन कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? हाँ. So English, British English is spoken in intonation. Therefore, it's a melody. It's a like melody. You know melody? What is melody? Melody, music. If you see the British speakers while speaking, it looks like a melody. And American people, one tone only, monotonous tone. One tone, no change in tone. Here is a change in tone. High pitch, low pitch, high pitch, low pitch, high pitch, low pitch. You know music? Music is also composed. Music is composed by intonation, with the help of intonation. So any song, it can be sung only because of this composition. And I would like to give an example. So, साल पहले, 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था. See the intonation. मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा. डू यू फील? 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा. इतना प्यार अच्छा है. अभी 2 साल भी नहीं रह सकता, 2 दिनों में नहीं टूट सकता. अभी का प्यार तो 1 घंटे में प्यार टूट सकता है. 1 घंटे में शादी बर्बाद हो सकती है. कल शादी हुई टूट गई, कल की शादीशुदा लड़की आज कोर्ट में खड़ी है. ऐसा भी है. लेकिन गाने का मतलब क्या है? 100 साल पहले. सी द इंटोनेशन. मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा, शिरडी वाले आया है तेरे दर पे सवाली. दिस इज द म्यूजिक. म्यूजिक इज नथिंग बट इट्स अप एंड डाउन इन साउंड. साउंड में अप एंड डाउन इज कॉल्ड म्यूजिक. लेकिन आज का फेमस गाना, कौन सा भी गाना लीजिए, मराठी, हिंदी, अंग्रेजी, कौन सा भी गाना लीजिए, अप एंड डाउन. हाँ, और कर भारी होऊ द्या अंग भिजलं, अप एंड डाउन. केशवा माधवा तुझ्या नामात रे गोडवा. व्हॉट इज दिस? आता विश्वात्मके देवी तिने वागेज्ञे तोषावे, तोषोनी मज द्यावे पसा. This is the music. We can sing only because of music, and music is nothing but it's a melody. So British English is like the music. It's not spoken in monotonous tone. It's not spoken in single tone like we speak, but British people speak English in melody. So British English, it's a melody, melodious English.
English is nothing, but English is everything. Now speak English with the help of
देखो अभी मैं आपके एक टेस्ट लेता हूँ, एक 5 मिनट में आपको कितने समझ में आया मैं देखता हूँ. ओके? मैं खाता हूँ,
I eat.
मैं नहीं खाता हूँ,
I do not eat.
राम नहीं खाता है,
Ram does not eat.
राम खा चुका है,
Ram has eaten.
राम खा चुका है क्या?
Has Ram eaten?
राम कैसे खा चुका है?
How has Ram eaten?
राम सवेरे से खाते आ रहा है.
Ram has been eating since morning.
आपको अच्छा लगता है क्या?
Do you like?
आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है?
What do you like?
आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो क्या?
Do you read newspaper?
आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हो क्या?
Are you reading newspaper?
आप कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हो?
Which newspaper are you reading?
आप कैसे पढ़ते हो?
How are you reading?
आप कैसे पढ़ते हो?
How do you write? How do you read?
वेरी गुड. आप कैसे पढ़ रहे हो?
How are you reading?
वेरी गुड. आप पढ़ चुके हो क्या?
Have you read?
आप कब पढ़ चुके हो?
When have you read?
आप कैसे पढ़ चुके हो?
How have you read?
आप खेलते हो क्या?
Do you play?
आपके पिताजी खेलते हैं क्या?
Does your father play?
आपके पिताजी कब खेलते हैं?
When does your father
आपके
play?
पिताजी कैसे खेलते हैं?
How does your father
आपके
play?
पिताजी खेल रहे हैं क्या?
Is your father playing?
आपके पिताजी खेल चुके हैं क्या?
Has your father played?
आपके पिताजी सवेरे से खेलते आ रहे हैं क्या?
Has your father been playing since morning?
वेरी गुड. आप ब्रश करते हो क्या?
Do you brush?
वो लड़की ब्रश करती है क्या?
Does she brush?
वो ब्रश कब करती है?
When does she brush?
आप नहाते हो क्या?
Do you take bath?
आप नहा रहे हो क्या?
Are you taking bath?
वे नहा रहे हैं क्या?
Are they taking bath?
वेरी गुड. वो खेलते हैं क्या?
Do they play?
वेरी गुड. वे कैसे खेलते हैं?
How do they play?
वे खेल रहे हैं क्या?
Are they playing?
वो लड़की हंस रही है क्या?
Is she laughing?
ये वो क्यों हंस रही है?
Why is she laughing?
वो मैड है क्या?
Is she mad?
आप बोलते हो क्या?
Do you speak?
आप क्या बोलते हो?
What do you speak?
आप कैसे बोलते हो?
How do you speak?
वो लड़का बोलता है क्या?
Does he speak?
वो बोल रहा है क्या?
Is he speaking?
वो बोल चुका है क्या?
Has he spoken?
वो क्यों बोल चुका है?
Why has he spoken?
आपको अच्छा लगता है क्या?
Do you like?
आप पीते हो क्या?
Do you drink?
आपके पिताजी पीते हैं क्या?
Does your father drink?
आपके पिताजी क्या पीते हैं?
What does your father drink?
वहाँ पे आपके पिताजी पी रहे हैं क्या?
Is your father drinking?
आपके पिताजी पी चुके हैं क्या?
Has your father drunk?
आपके पिताजी 10 साल से पीते आ रहे हैं क्या?
Has your father drinking since morning?
आपके पिताजी 10 साल से पीते आ रहे हैं क्या?
Has your father been drinking since 10 years?
वेरी गुड. आप कौन से स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ते हो?
In which standard do you study?
वेरी गुड. आपको समझता है?
Do you understand?
आप कौन से स्टैंडर्ड में हो?
In which standard are you?
वेरी गुड. इन विच स्टैंडर्ड आर यू? अभी सही में बताओ आप कौन से स्टैंडर्ड में हो?
I am in 8th standard.
इन मराठी मीडियम और इन इंग्लिश मीडियम?
In Marathi medium.
वेरी गुड. ओके. यस, वेरी गुड. यस, वेरी गुड. प्लीज बी सीटेड.
if you don't have time to join the class, if you can't speak English properly, if you don't know about grammar, if you want to face an interview, then you have only one option. You can speak it in software.